If you need to reset your password on Current, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the password reset process. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the app's main screen, locate the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password and tap on it to initiate the reset process. Step 3. Add to your email. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your current account. Input your email carefully and double-check for any typos before proceeding. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use iStruct to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link to the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets any specified requirements, and confirm it. Save your changes to complete the reset process. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your current account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Current's customer support for further assistance.